she beautiful? Isn't she? Look at the scallop detail. Look at the detail. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi, where we talk about all things stylish, affordable, and you know it's going to be fabulous. And today's video is no different. I am so excited to bring to you guys all things that I have accumulated this fabulous haul from Wayfair. So we are going to jump right into the video, but before I forget, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button or subscribe. We would love to have you join the community of design lovers. I am going to get my workout in today because some of these things are heavy and fabulous. First off, I want to bring to you this vase. Guys, please, some of these items that I'm bringing to you, it's one of those things where you should run and not walk and purchase because they will be gone out of stock. Bye-bye and gone. And I get so many DMs and comments. Where'd you get this vase? Where did this vase come from? I am trying to bring to you guys this year in 2025 the things that are available retail so that you can purchase them. Some of these things are available, yes, wholesale to the trade, but also I found vendors that will retail you the exact same item that I am purchasing through the trade for my client. First up, okay, I'm just going to show you guys the top. It is, okay, let's stop playing. Let's stop playing. This is so gorgeous. Would you look at this? This is a forever keeper. This is a keeper. It is a forever vase. It is ceramic. It is black and white. It has this swirl pattern around the vase, and I'm going to try to hold this and show you without breaking my brand new vase. Are you dying? Are you dying? Look at her. Look how gorgeous she looks. It comes in two sizes, and you know your girl bought both sizes because I had to buy both sizes. This is so gorgeous. And let's put it down. Let's place her down. Okay, your girl bought both sizes, the small and the large. This is the smaller one. This is probably the one that I should have started with first, but no less, both of them are heavy. Both of them look expensive. Both look uber expensive. I am going to style them up. Don't worry, I'm going to style them up and show you what this looks like. OMG! I love this vase. This is a great find. And as I'm filming this, these two are on sale. And I think they're like 20-30% off the price that I actually paid for them. The black and white vases are so dynamic that it does not matter what color scheme you have in your home. This vase is a statement piece. And the two together, it's the wow factor. It is the fabulous. It is that thing that I am always saying, this is gorgeous. I'm in love. I am in love with the black and white vases. I can't say enough. I know. I'm so excited. This video isn't sponsored, but Wayfair is cleaning up. Wayfair is stepping up in their decor section for design, and I am bringing all the details to you guys and sharing everything that I'm able to source. Let's take a look at these vases. Let's just look at this. when I come into this space, now I am going to place them in this front living room. And when I come into this place and I just see all the gorgeous and beautiful detail and contrast and texture that I'm creating in this environment, I am making it a wow factor. I'm making it my own utopia, and I'm so excited. Next up, now we've talked about placing baskets in your home to corral your little bitty things and storage. And when I say I have found the perfect basket for your home, and it looks so good. It's just different than the IKEA baskets. It's different than the Home Good baskets. Let me just stop talking about it and show you guys. This is it. This looks so good. My basket is already full. I hope the top doesn't fall off so you guys can see all the stuff that I have corralled in this basket. I'm actually using this basket for my grandbaby's things. I want my house to be a home for everyone that comes in, and my little grandbaby is no different. So we have turned this into Camp Grandbaby, and I want those things to be placed away when she's not here, or I want her to start learning how to place her items and her toys away. So I've got tons of things in this storage basket, and it is rattan. Let me show you guys. Look at this. The detail, the quality in this basket is bar none. And the handle that's on top, it's just made very, very sturdy. The quality, the texture, I am in love. It comes in two. There's one that's smaller. So I have both sizes, the larger one and the smaller. This is a gorgeous basket for you to store. You can use it in your bedroom and place your quilts. You can use it in your family room and place your throws, pillows. There are an array of items that you can put inside of these baskets. Gorgeous. Next item is this gorgeous tray, which I have been using already. It is black embossed with a croc finish. Look at these handles. Trays work very well for corralling things and getting it to look uniform on the table. So I love this one. It's square, it's big enough. I actually have a plant. I can put a candle holder, just little things that I love to see inside of that tray. Absolutely gorgeous and fabulous. Now I'm going to share with you guys a couple of more vases that you must consider bringing to your home. Woo! Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she? Look at the scallop detail. Look at the detail with this vase. How gorgeous is this up high on a shelf? I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this one, right? I wasn't sure until it actually came, and I took it out. I'm just now unwrapping it with you guys. And when I say I'm looking at this and she is breathtaking, the detail in this vase is just amazing. And she comes with, were there two or no? It's a separate purchase, but look, look. Even if I use this on an entry table and I can put keys or remote controls, any little thing in here, look at this. This is just gorgeous. Okay, this haul is amazing. I'm gonna say this over and over again. Simply amazing. Oh, she's gorgeous. Next up is this entry bench. It's the faux leather cognac color entry bench, and it is the West Am dupe. I believe at West Am the bench is like $400 or $500. I've got this thing for under $200, and she's gorgeous. I have styled her up in the entry hall. I've placed it with blue, but in the spring, I'm gonna switch those colors out to more earth tone colors. That bench is going nowhere. It is the perfect size, the perfect color. I love the wood detail. The seat height is amazing, and I love the fact that it's a faux leather. So it is a different material contrasting against the white chairs that I have opposite. Loving this all day long. Next up is this spike vase that it is a knockoff from the Minka vase. The Minka vase is $600-800 depending on where you're going to look at it. This is a dupe, I shouldn't say knockoff. This is a dupe of that vase, and she is gorgeous. I can tell the difference. You're not going to be able to tell the difference. Your guests are not going to be able to tell the difference. Your guests may not even know what the vase is. But this spike vase is simply gorgeous. The texture, it just says expensive. It says luxe. I've used this with different applications. Currently, I've got the fuchsia. I'll be switching it out in a week or so with a different color. But the vase is a keeper. It is something that I will keep forever. I had a smaller one and broke it, so I was very, very sad about that. But that vase is perfect. Can you imagine that on your entry table? Can you imagine that on your kitchen island? I have it on my cocktail table. It's been in several places of the house. I'm not sure where it's going to end up next, but you can best believe I am keeping that. Okay, design lovers, we've talked about having these stark white houses that we have had for the last 10 years, maybe 15 years for some of us, and now we're trying to warm this space up, and I thought I would find you a throw, and there is no better throw than this perfect oatmeal color. Oh, look how gorgeous. Look at, she's so gorgeous. This perfect oatmeal color throw that you can take and warm up a space. Oh, look at this next to the white. Look how much it does and how much it warms up this space. I will style this up in a different area as well and show you that. But the detail, and it's not just a regular throw. Let me step in and show you guys the detail in this throw and the design, and it has fringe on the bottom. It looks so luxe. Just reminds me of one of those throws that are $160. $200 in Pottery Barn, and those throws that were $150 in the Z Gallery. This is how soft and luxe this throw is. Can we say luxe? Can we say luxurious for this candle holder? And it is a steal of a bargain. It's a complete steal of a bargain. Look at the detail. You've got the gold bronzy columns that are holding the canister. Just gorgeous. A metal stand, and I'll show you guys how I've styled this. I'm styling it on the back of a console table. You can place this candle holder because it looks so luxurious, it looks so rich, and it's something that if any of you guys remember the old Bombay, which was before the Z Gallery store, and they always had things that were elevated. Sometimes the price wasn't all that so great, but this price is amazing for something that looks so luxe. Okay, last but not least, and this is another item that is on sale, is this sculpture piece. She's heavy. The quality is amazing. I'm going to show you guys. Look at the specs. It's on sale, so much so that I bought two. I didn't want to take it around the house in different areas. I just wanted to see it in two areas every single time that I walk in the room. And this is something that is a forever keeper piece. It's a conversational piece. It's simplistic, elegant, and luxurious on a budget. Okay, design lovers, if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button or subscribe. We would love to have you join the community. Until next time, make every single day a great day. If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.